Hi, I'm jtrischler, and I've got something exciting to show you today. This is the 2018 Roush F-150 Grill Light kit. This kit incorporates directly into the grill in existing mounting points without modification. So again, you don't have to cut, you don't have to drill. This incorporates directly into the factory grill. It's solid, will not move, has many adjustments. So if you wanted to bring the lights and tilt them outward a little bit, you can. You can pivot them forward as well, so if you want to aim them down more or up more and so on. This kit utilizes the rigid E-Series E4 light kit, so let's go ahead and talk about this kit and see what you think. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the new light kit. All right, so this light kit fits into the existing pockets as you see here. It utilizes a powder-coated finish set of brackets along with stainless steel, black oxide hardware for rust prevention. So all your hardware here, it's black for that stealthy look. You don't want that shiny chrome look in your grill, but it's all stainless steel so that it should be corrosive resistant as well. And that's on both sides. Again, these lights do not require modification of your existing grill. They incorporate into the stock pockets. All the wiring is run through the grill and then hooked up to the switch panel in the center console. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the new carbon fiber switch panel. So this new switch panel incorporates into the factory location where the rubber tray is in a center console F-150. This fits all F-150s with this center console, Roush or otherwise. With this switch panel, it can add 3 additional switches to control lights and other items. This gives a nice clean factory look, and the carbon fiber gives a really rich and deep look as well. So if you're in the market for a switch panel for your 2015 plus F-150, then you should definitely take a look at my patent pending switch panels for the 2015 plus F-150. Now 15 plus, that means 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, anything that has this center console with this center rubber tray. And then you simply flip the switches on to turn on your lights. When installed, the switch panel, and you only use one switch, for example, the additional switch wires can be run here under the hood, similar to the Raptor, so that you can tap off of these and add additional lights and controls at a later date. So for right now, for example, we are only using one switch to control our lights. So if I wanted to add some additional lights or anything else, I can tap off of those additional wires there to control my additional lights with the switches that are already pre-installed. So as you can see, the new Roush Grill Light kit is quite bright with the rigid Pro Series driving combos. So if you want a little bit more off-road capability with still retaining that OEM look, this is the kit to go with. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this 2018 Roush F-150 provided by Roush Performance for the installation of this new light kit. And this particular truck is leadfoot gray. It's a Lariat version, and it has the bed splash graphics as you see here. The 2018 Roush F-150 is kind of the answer that Roush has to the non-V8 in the Raptor. So for those of you that are unfamiliar with the Roush off-road truck, it's very Raptor-like, utilizes a Fox 2.0 suspension system, the wider flares, the bed splash graphics, the 20-inch wheels and tires with Mickey Thompson tires and wheels, the new Roush off-road grill, and it's got that Raptor look to it. But now you have the capability of that 5-liter V8 and Roush's all new 2018 Plus supercharger 2650. That's all new for 2018. Puts out 650 horsepower in the all new Roush F-150. So if you're looking for this Roush F-150, or you're interested in owning one now that you know that they exist, we can offer the supercharged version with 650 horsepower with that V8. You're going to retain that V8 sound, or you can keep it naturally aspirated with the V8 as well. I can offer all these custom accessories, such as your grill lights, bed covers, additional fog light options, backup light options, and so on. The new Roush exhaust includes a stainless steel tip, and it has a plate inside there that can be removed to make it louder. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of this truck. Again, this is a Lariat version, Lariat 502 version provided by Roush Performance. So it is being demoed. The Lariat version has presets for your seats, your steering wheel, and so on. It's going to have all your premium equipment, such as your spotlight mirrors, nav, touchscreen, 360 camera option, climate controls, heated and cooled seats, the whole 9 yards, dual panel moonroof, leather seats, and so on. And again, as we move back onto the interior, you can see the custom switch panel with the carbon fiber design. So the Lariat Premium version is going to have all the amenities. So if you want the top of the line in your Roush F-150, you definitely want to take a look at the Lariat Premium version. And if you're in the market for a new Roush F-150 or Raptor, this is definitely a truck to take a look at. Plus, with all the custom accessories, we can really customize it just the way you want it. So give me a call and let me know how we can build your dream truck. All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more products coming out all the time. So again, follow my channel. You can call me at 317-796-8472 or shoot me an email at jtrischler@roushvehicles.net. If you're in the market for a new off-road truck, call me. I can help you with not only the lights and the accessories, but I can help you with the new Roush trucks, Raptors, and so on. So if you like this truck and you want one just like it, I have several colors to choose from. You can pick from any color that the Roush F-150 is available in. This particular one is Leadfoot Gray, again, but we can install the rigid Roush Grill Light kit in the truck for you, along with several other accessories, and customize it just the way you want it. Again, not only do I have these custom accessories available, but I have several others available for the Roush F-150, so we can build the truck of your dreams. Give me a call.